One of VBOUT's unique capability is the power of personalizing landing pages. We can do this by showing references to names or special messages, even personalizing forms and CTAs. Let me show you how you can do that in VBOUT using your merge tags or what we call custom variables. Once you're inside your landing pages, all you have to do is click the cursor where you'd like to insert those names. In this case, I already done it right here. And the way I was able to do it is I clicked in this area, access my shortcode from the top, choose the target list, which in this case is master list. But look, every list almost have the same reference to the first name, unless you've created a completely different custom field for a first name. That's why we advise you to use the default fields we provide. Now here what I can do is have a fallback, like for example, there, and closing it, and I can proper capitalization. So I have something called proper function, which capitalizes the first letter of the name. Okay. If you're wondering where you can get access to this library, click on the help section, type in cheat sheet, and you'll find our shortcode cheat sheet library. So when I say shortcodes, variables, and merge tags, these are references to the same exact thing pretty much. Just this way you know how we reference to these things. Now the variable sandwich and orange, these are not from our shortcode list. I've created them on the go. And you can do the same. You can create your own random variables right in here. You don't need to have them created in VBOUT first. And I'm going to show you how these work between what we provide on shortcodes and the ones you create yourself. Okay. Within the form, I've also customized these. All I have to do is click inside these fields and pull them from the shortcode. And to personalize the button, I simply click on the button, and from the left, all I have to do is change the label and paste one of these merge tags that I was able to see on here. That's it. Now, here's how the page looked like. I want you to note the URL, which right now might not be showing. So let me open up a quick document to show you how that works. Okay. So this will look like this right now. I want you to note how I was able to reference back to some of these things from the page. For example, the first name is right here. So I told the URL to parse my name into the page. I also have the variable orange, which I created myself. So I told the page or the URL to parse we space love you. And this could be anything really. I can also parse the sandwich variable. If you recall, I created that. So I have to add an end, and then I would do sandwich, and then I will do, I don't know, so much. If I copy this and I paste it here, you see how we love you, that's the orange variable, and so much is the sandwich variable, right? Look at the button, it's personalized. And here's the trick to what I'm doing as well. Now, because I didn't click on a link from an email or anything like that, I passed over to this landing page my name from the URL. But if I had clicked through an email, I don't really need this variable in here. VBOUT will be able to map it to the record on file, and that's all it takes for us to pull that record in. Of course, variables that you create that are not merge tags, these will have to be parsed from the top in order for them to render on the page. So this is how you can create those variables, and you can personalize your landing pages on VBOUT.